In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process of activating and managing your software license using our online activation service. To get started, first select Create Free Account in the Login area. You will then need your activation key and the email address associated with the license. This can be either the email address you previously registered with or the email address entered in the order form. You can find your activation key on your invoice or in the license confirmation email you received after purchasing the software. Please make sure to use exactly this activation key together with the correct registered email address. First, enter your activation key in the designated field. Enter the email address that will be associated with the license. You will then be prompted to create a password for your account. Choose a secure password and confirm it as required. Before completing the registration, please review and accept the terms and conditions. Once all information has been provided and confirmed, submit the registration. As a final step, you will receive a confirmation email at the registered email address. Please open this email and confirm your registration to activate your account. Once logged in, you can view all currently active devices associated with your license. Here you can see all your activation keys. Each row represents one activation key assigned to a specific product. In the product and version columns, you can see which software the activation key belongs to. The Created and Expires columns show the license validity period. The Licenses column indicates how many total licenses are available for this activation key. Devices Online shows how many devices are currently using the license, while Devices Offline shows devices that are active but not connected to the internet. These devices were activated using an offline method, for example via a license file. Remaining activations show how many activations are still available after all online and offline devices are counted. For more information, click on the activation key. To manage devices, click on Devices Online. When you select a device, the detail view opens. The enabled setting controls whether a device is allowed to validate a license. Only enabled devices can perform license validation. The status indicates the license state: activated, inactive, revoked, or declined. Last activation shows the most recent activation. Please note, disabling a device revokes its license. Enabling it sets the status to inactive until the license is validated again on the device. Export your devices as XLSX or CSV, or use Manage to administer devices directly. In Manage Devices, you can perform bulk actions for a specific activation key. Adds new devices with an inactive status. The license must be validated on the device before it can be used. Disable. Prevents selected devices from validating the license. This is useful if a device is lost or should no longer use the license. Delete. Removes devices from the list. Please note, deleting a device does not prevent it from being validated again in the future. In all cases, license validation is only possible if there are available activations on the license. Disabled devices cannot validate a license. We hope this overview was helpful. If anything is unclear or you need support with device or license management, please contact our support team.